Hi, good morning, viewers, my dear friends, my name, especially Dr. Himishri Patwari ma'am. I am from Krishna Guru Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya, going to present a seminar paper, though online, because of the pandemic situation all over the world. I have chosen the topic hypothesis from the course of research methodology, political science. I am Swarupananda Mandal and going to submit this paper to my ma'am Dr. Himashri Patwari ma'am, Assistant Professor of Krishna Guru Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya. Here I have divided this topic into 4 parts. Firstly, introduction. Secondly, characteristics of hypothesis. Thirdly, types of hypothesis, and at last, conclusion. Introduction. Here we discuss about what is in hypothesis and what it's mean. Here, a hypothesis is a proposed explanation for a phenomenon. Hypothesis is an idea or a explanation that you then test, though study or experiment. The term hypothesis consists of 2 words, hypo and thesis. Here, hypo means tentative or a subject to verification, and thesis means statement about solution of problem. The word hypothesis means tentative statement about the solution of problem. A research hypothesis is a specific, clear and testable proposition or practice statement about the possible outcome of a scientific research study based on particular property of a population, such as personal differences between groups on a particular variable or a relationship between the variables. The second topic is characteristics of hypothesis. Hypothesis should be clear and precise. If the hypothesis is not clear and precise, the inferences drawn on its basis cannot be taken be capable of reliable. Hypothesis should be capable of being tested in a shop of untestable hypotheses. Many a time, the research programs have legacy down some prior study may be done by researcher in order to make hypothesis a capable one. Hypothesis should be state relationship between variables if it happen to be rational relationship. Hypothesis should be limited in a scope and must be specific. Hypothesis should be stated as far as possible in most simple terms, so that the sum is easily understandable by all concerned. But one must remember that of hypothesis has nothing to do with its signification. Hypothesis should be consist with most known facts. It must be consist with a substantial body of established facts. In other words, it should be one which judges accept as being the most likely. And thereafter, the types of hypothesis. There are various types of hypothesis, and here we discuss about the basic types. Simple hypothesis. This predicts the relationship between a single independent variable, that is short from IV, and a single development variable, DV. Complex hypothesis. This predicts the relationship between single independent variable and two or more variable dependent. For example, complex multiple independent variable multiple hypothesis. Low risk judgment. Women who are value real in health promoting behavior will be result positive outcomes. Persuasive. Fewer barrier through health promoting activities are more likely than other women to attend pregnancy related education programs, DV. Directional hypothesis. This may imply that the researcher is intellectually committed to a particular outcome. They specify the extent direction of the relationship between variables that is the researcher predicts. Not only the existence of a relationship but also its nature. Concluding example of researcher may state the hypothesis is a high school student who participate in introduction activities has a lower GPA than those who do not participate in such activities. Non-directional hypothesis. This form of hypothesis is used in studies where there are no sufficient post-research in which to base a prediction of the relationship. Continuing with some example of a non-directional hypothesis would be read the academic performance of high school students in related to their participation in extra circular activities. Associated hypothesis. Associated hypothesis propose relationship between variable when one variable sense the other seems to do not indicate course of effect. Causal hypothesis. Causal hypothesis propose cause and effect interaction between two or more variables. The independent variable is manipulated to cause and effect on dependent variables. Inductive and deductive hypothesis. Inductive hypotheses are formed though indirectly reasoning from many specific observations to tentative explanation. Deductive hypotheses are formed though deductively reasoning implication of a theory. Lastly, conclusion. In research methodology, for a researcher, hypothesis is an answer. What he finds, prediction is a specific belief or research about the scientific idea. If hypothesis is true, then the researcher got a good conclusion what he wants of his experiment. That is hypothesis. And here data collection. I have collected data from the online the website educate.com and YouTube channels Unacademy from the books, Research Methodology, written by Dr. Aran Manja. Another book, Research Methodology, written by Sir Kafari. And many others from the note written by Dr. Mr. Patwari. Here I have completed this seminar, and now my dear viewers and dear friends can ask me any question about this topic. Thank you.